natural sounds like discordant songs. The rising sunlight looks gloomy, all seemed no space, tightness. Soon my hand will freeze. I promise the strong gulping down all my longings. Your determination is exact price to erase my reason for struggling. All make me remain the reason you to keep fighting. Pride must be won over grieving grief. The jewels of my heart, the talisman of my life, he headed for this figure road, with the thread of enemies covered in fog, invisible. You wear your armor, put on a body to achieve a ray of hope in life. All you devote to the country you love. For the sake of its existence, you deny your existence. Then you sacrifice with all your soul. And I was the first to be scared and proud of you at the same time. You are glorious, oh my beloved. Save as many lives, as many steps as your feet walk. I will pray in every breath, oh my beloved. If you must die, then you will bring all the satisfaction of perfect devotion.